Through the collaboration with Otrivin, we started to imagine a new kind of public realm where the filtration or the purification of air becomes an act of playfulness, an act of interaction with the microclimate that we breathe every day. The Air Lab is really a collection of actions or practices. In the Air Lab, we close the loop and explore what we can do with the biomass that we extract from the purification process. The biomass that we transform into biopolymer first, so a biodegradable form of plastic that is entirely made with renewable and degradable ingredients. And then we transform these into filaments for 3D printing. This process enables us to optimize the position of this material and create products of self-care that are, again, entirely biodegradable and in this case also carbon neutral. The neti pot is one of these examples that visitors of the Air Lab will also be able to use and practice with. And it materializes this near future dream where people will be able to take care of themselves while taking care of the environment that they are part of.
We are often said that we need to stop the ecological disruption that our planet is going through. But if we think about it, change is an inherent quality of planet Earth. Planet Earth changes continuously. We cannot stop change, but we can design architecture, devise architectural instrument to establish a different understanding of change, as well as positive dynamic rather than disrupted one.